Hello, welcome to episode 9 in the Datapack series. We're doing right-click detection with an edible item. Now, I've got 2 diamonds. One, if I right-click, nothing happens. That's not my special diamond. But if I right-click my special diamond, I tried to eat the diamond. Okay, so what's happening? We have a custom diamond with a food component on it, set to a very long eat time, so it doesn't lift it up to my mouth. And then I have an advancement, which is checking, am I using that item? And if I am, it runs a function that says, I tried to eat the diamond. It's a pretty easy, quick one. Pretty useful as well, I think. Right-click detection, who doesn't want that? Anyway, I'm in danger of waffling, aren't I? Let's get on and build it now. Okay, here we are, starting in Misode, like we so often do. Link in the description. And we're in the advancement generator. Okay, so we're making another advancement. We made one last time to detect button presses. This time we're going to make one to see if we're eating an item. So, we don't want requirement location? No. We want, all the way down the bottom, using item. So let's click on that one and create some conditions. Here we go. Is it going to be the player? We'll just leave that as it is for now. And we'll click on item. Single item, I'm going to eat a diamond, because why not? A diamond. There, Minecraft diamond. There we are. Items, Minecraft diamond. But I don't want to eat any diamond. I want to check if it's got some custom data on it. So I'm going to use the predicate for this. And I'm going to check custom data. Now, if the list is too long and you can't find it, we can always do a bit of a search. Custom data, there we go. I'll add that. Now, with Misode, I always have a bit of a problem here. Maybe I do it wrong. If anyone knows how to do this better, please tell me. But I find that what I have to do is I'll go to string, and my custom data is going to be edible true. Okay, and it's put it in our little box there, but I'm going to have to edit that in our JSON file. So keep that in mind. And we need a reward. Reward, we'll run a function. IDYT. I think we're in episode 9. Maybe. And we'll call it eating item. Done. Okay. I'm going to copy that. Copy. And I'm going to go over to our blank Datapack. If you don't know how to make this, episode 1 will tell you. So, we need our advancement. So, in my namespace, data my namespace, I'm going to create a new folder, advancement, and in advancement, I'm going to create a new file, and we're going to call it eating item, and it's a JSON, so eatingitem.json, and I'm going to paste in there what we just made. Now, here we go. We've got red around our edible true, and I find that I have to change this myself. So first thing I'm going to do is put brackets around it. Now I put one bracket and it tries to close it automatically. So I want to delete this extra bracket that is put there. And I'll put a bracket at the end. Now it's still not happy. Well, it's happy, but it won't want it. It's still not happy there, look. So I'm going to get rid of that speech mark and move it to edible. Okay. So you can see the changes I've made. I've got open and closed brackets around the whole thing. I've moved the speech marks around the edible, and then it's true. And it's telling me that this function doesn't exist, so we better create that function. So I'll go my namespace, my function, new file, and we've called it eating item, MC function. First thing we want to do is revoke the advancement. Actually, what we'll do is we'll fix this. We'll just replace the letter on the end, force it to update. There we go, that seems happy now. Let's go back to eating item. And I'm going to revoke that advancement so I can eat as many items as I like. If we don't revoke it, we can only do it once. And we're only going to revoke ID eating item. Save. Well, let's actually put something that won't show us any results. So let's just say I tried to eat the diamond. And we'll save that. Okay, now I need to give myself that diamond. So I'm just going to create another function. New file, and I'll just call it give. MC function. And I will give the executor of this function a diamond. It will have some custom data. Custom data will equal edible true. Okay, let's give it some more stuff as well. Now, to be able to eat it, we're going to have to give it a food component. Food equals, open and close. Food needs a few things. It needs a nutrition value. Nutrition, I would say, well, it's a diamond. It's not going to give me any nutrition. And saturation. And I'm going to say it's going to give me no saturation. Obviously, you could change that if you want. I want to be able to right-click even if I'm not hungry. So can always eat. In fact, there we go. We can autofill that one. And we'll set that to true. And how long will it take me to eat it? Now, this is sort of how long it takes the item to come up to your mouth. So we're going to set this really high. That way, when we right-click, we're not going to see the item coming up to our mouth because we don't want to see that. So we'll put eat seconds. And I've just set it to 1 million. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do a save. I think we're done. So we're going to give ourselves the item. It's going to have a food value. So we can eat it. And we've given it a custom data of edible true. Then, in our advancement, if we're using an item, so using, it runs this when you start using the item, not when you've finished. This is very handy because we can check the tag on it, unlike with command blocks only, when you can only check if you've used the item. And by then, you've already gobbled it up, and so there's no item to check the tag on. And here we're checking for the custom data. You can see it looks a little bit different to how it is in our give. Give, there's no speech marks around it. In our advancement, a little bit different. And then we'll run the eating item function. Eating item, we'll just say I tried to eat the diamond. Okay, let's pop over to Minecraft. Here we are. And we'll do a reload. Let's get myself a normal diamond. We'll have one of them. And we'll try right click on that. No, I can't do anything with it. Okay, so let's do function. And we'll get that give. Now I've got another diamond. And that one, there we go, I can spam. As if I hold the button down, it will just spam it. So it's detecting me trying to eat it. It's giving me the advancement. The advancement is running the function. The function is revoking the advancement, so I can then get the advancement again. Basically, right-click detection. We are done. This is simple. You might want to add cooldowns and things so it doesn't spam. We're not doing that in this video. If you're interested in that, maybe we'll do that in another video. You should let me know in the comments. Make suggestions. They're all very helpful. Anyway, another quick one. Where am I? There I am. I will see you next time. Take care. Look after yourself. Bye-bye.